In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code in Webflow, JavaScript, CSS, and more. Whether you're adding analytics, a chat widget, or custom styles, here's where your code belongs and why. Open your project settings from the site dashboard. This is the control room for site-wide options and the place where code you add will apply to every page you publish. Inside settings, go to the Custom Code tab. You'll see areas for head code and footer code, plus an advanced section. Let's break down what each one does so your assets load cleanly and predictably. Head code loads inside the document head before the page renders. Use it for CSS. Either paste rules inside a style tag or link external style sheets, along with meta tags, font services, and any scripts that must initialize early, like certain analytics or consent banners. Keep this section lean to avoid blocking render. If you include JavaScript here, add defer or async to your script tags so loading doesn't stall the page. Reserve heavy or non-critical scripts for the footer whenever possible to keep performance snappy. Footer code is injected just before the closing body tag. It's the most performance-friendly spot for most JavaScript because the DOM is already available. Add third-party widgets, chat, heat maps, and your own scripts that interact with elements on the page. Wrap raw code inside script tags and avoid document.write, which can interfere with rendering. If a provider tells you to place a snippet at the end of body, this is exactly where it goes. When you're unsure about order, load libraries first, then your custom code below them so dependencies are ready when your functions run. Advanced settings provide extra controls that affect how and when code runs and how it behaves on published domains. Use the on-screen descriptions as your guide and enable only what you need. If a snippet depends on a specific library or version, include it explicitly and verify the path and protocol. Consistent load order helps prevent race conditions and hard-to-trace timing bugs. 2 quick notes. Changes to project-level custom code require publishing before they take effect, and they won't run in Designer Preview. For troubleshooting, publish to a staging domain, open your browser console, and look for errors or blocked resources from content policies or privacy extensions. Fix those, republish, and retest. That's it. You now know exactly where to place custom code in Webflow, when to choose head versus footer, and how to approach the advanced options with confidence. Publish, test a few key pages, and you're ready to launch. Congratulations.